This is the workshop of the refrigeration system. Here you will see that we mix all types of refrigeration systems. This is a typical Micron refrigeration system. The compressor we use is a two-stage screw compressor. The gear motor we use is a WEG brand. It's produced by Brazilian manufacturer, one of the largest motor maker in the world. The pressure vessels are all made by ourselves. We have the ASME U stamp, so we can produce ASME or PED certified pressure vessels, which is required by the international customer. The control panel is fitted with a Siemens touchscreen. The operation of the system is completely automated. Inside the control panel, you will see the Siemens PLC. All other electrical components are either Siemens or Schneider brand. You can also see that we have internet access of the system, so that whenever there is any issue happened to the system, our engineer back in the office can always access the system to analyze the causes and find the proper solution. The evaporating temperature of the system is minus 40 Celsius degree. It's very suitable for the operation of the IQF freezer. The refrigeration capacity of the system can be anywhere between 100 to 500 kilowatt. The refrigerant we can use for the system can be either ammonia or freon. Here you can see that we are assembling a CO2 refrigeration system. The compressor we use is a Micron piston compressor. CO2 is an environmental friendly refrigerant. It's not flammable, it's not toxic, and it does not generate any greenhouse gas. In Europe and America, the freon has been banned already, so the only choice that we can use are the CO2 refrigerant. This is a CO2 refrigeration system. It's very popular for the European market because freon is not allowed in Europe. The design is a completely containerized design, so it's pre-assembled in our factory and can be fitted into a standard container so that the field insulation can be minimized. This is a typical ammonia pumping module. In this system, you can see the high-pressure ammonia tank, all the control valves, and pumps. It's very suitable for the cold storage and the IQF operation. The system is pre-assembled in the skid. All these are the pre-assembled control valves, so that we don't have to do a lot of welding work at customer's site.